Oh, I forgot this too. Well, let's first get it out of this box. I won't need this. And this I don't need either. It's going to be about on how to add games to your calculator. And I'm going to be showing you guys on where you get these games. And it got some games like Flappy Bird. I'm truly ass at this, so don't mind me. Wow, it's perfectly on out of nothing. And this is also the TI-84 Plus CE non-Python version. And the stuff I'll be doing today, it will work on both versions. And TI-83 Plus Premium, I think. I'm not really sure. But let's get started. Before we start, I need to clarify that calculators for version 5.4 or lower are able to do these games too by, I think, cesium, by just downloading it and by going to ASM, whatever. But I won't be doing that today. I'll be doing it on newer versions, like my calculator. My bad about that. I just had to click on second plus. And if you want to see what version you got, you just go into About and click Enter. And then you're just supposed to see the version. But anyways, the newer versions are 5.5 and higher. So the older method won't work on here. But I'll show you guys on how to do the latest method, in which I did to get some games on this thing. With the link I put in the description, please go to download, and you'll see the different types of things for the system. You're supposed to get TI Connect CE software, and also there's an option for Mac and Windows, and I guess Linux with the emulator thing or whatever. But yeah, have that downloaded, and I'll show you on how to jailbreak the calculator. Alright, so you have to go to the Artiface website, which I will also put in the description. Older versions of Artiface won't work on the computer, on the calculator, I'm pretty sure. Well, I'm not really sure, I haven't tried the older versions yet, but by doing it here, you're supposed to download it by downloading it here. And next, you're supposed to connect your USB cable. And you also need to get an app called Cesium and the C files for the calculator. And it's so that it could play games and initialize them correctly. With those things installed, you have to head over to Downloads. And you're supposed to get all of the files and drag and drop it to the TI-84 Plus, the TI Connect app. You will see stuff like this and also Cesium. And ignore this. I'm just trying to show you guys on how to do it. And yeah, should say Cesium over there. Make sure everything is in archive so you don't lose data once you accidentally press the reset button on your calculator. And also, RAM is non-volatile, so if you lose power, you will lose the whole thing entirely. So once you're doing that, you can either press select or connect calculators, but it has to be that calculator. And so click send. And for now, I'll just press skip because I already have the thing. This is just for a game I'm going to be showing. And this is the transfer process. You're supposed to do this for the game and for the files I told you guys to download. And once it's there, you should head over to the steps in order to get Cesium running and this Artiface jailbreak. Alright, so I already have it installed, but basically you're supposed to go into programs. Ignore these are the games I already installed. But you're supposed to see Artiface. You're supposed to click on it, and then with the Cesium files installed, you're supposed to see a Cesium thing. Click on it and basically keep on continuing. Now after that, you can uninstall it or leave it installed. I mostly go onto TI-84calquiz.com, and this is where I get most of my games. You can go onto different websites by just looking up TI-84 Plus CE games, but I mainly just like going here because I just like it a lot and I could get a lot of games on it. So basically, you just download it and you could just do the transfer process like before. And make sure it's an archive if you don't want to lose it. Also, in order to launch the games, you're supposed to go into Apps, scroll down into Cesium, and for me, it's an option 4. Press Enter, and you'll be able to see the games. And yeah, you'll be able to see the games, click Enter to play it or whatever, and yeah. Also, in order to exit out of Cesium, you're supposed to click Clear, and now you're back on the math page. And also, just to make sure, once it's transferred, you should see the games over here. If it isn't there, I'm not really sure, but I'll try to post another video if you guys give me that problem. And basically, yeah. Also, I don't recommend playing this in school. I'm just doing this for educational purposes. But overall, it is a fun project. And hopefully you guys can like and subscribe. Goodbye.